Okay, YouTube. I'm uploading another video on my '02 Ford F150. I just had MagnaFlow exhaust put on it. The reason why I'm redoing this video is because the first one that I shot it at the wrong angle, and I wanted to redo it. But anyway, this is my '02 Ford F150. I just had another engine put in at 5.4, of course, always the best engine. All right, and I've had my MagnaFlow exhaust put on, and I'll show you here up under the bottom how I got them on there. There's the pipes there. I got them both coming out of each side of the truck. Now, I'm gonna attempt to let's see. I wanted you all to hear them. So let me see if I can set this camera angle. Be able to hear it. Okay. Okay, there you have it. Alright, that is the sound of my MagnaFlows. Leave me a comment down in the drop box there and in the comment section there, and just tell me what you think. Sorry about the lighting. It's nighttime, but this is how everything looks. Or whatever. But anyway, tell me what you think.